Hello guys, this is Zotov Dance Production YouTube channel. My name is Roman. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Latin cross in Latin style. Here we go. Before we start, in the top tab you can look in for the previous lesson, dancing psychology subject or tutorials how to dance with Zotovs or just watching about us. Okay, so for now, what's mean Latin cross? Latin cross, it's any actions of the free foot, of the free leg, when it's going cross behind of the standing leg. Yeah, so this can be right foot cross behind of the standing leg of the left, or left foot cross behind to the right. So what is the most important? It's when anytime when you want to create the Latin cross, your free knee will be hiding behind of the standing knee, like that. So that when you're doing that, depends of the length of your legs and depends of the how much stretch your ankle. That distance between your feet supposed to be at least 15 centimeters. I mean, depends of your standing heel and free toe. Yeah, or another way when you dance also the same. My free knee of the left foot will be hiding behind of the standing knee. So like close position. And both of the knees will be like connecting and bending together. Another key point is your hip angle supposed to be straight, parallel to the floor. So that anytime when you dance the Latin cross, you bend knee and you feel control the equal positions of your hips. After that, you can, for example, receive your leg weight on the right foot, close the feet, and make a side step. For example, like we dance cross chasse. Yeah, I can show you like check 2, 3, cross behind, bend knee, equal hip, close the feet, and side step. That's it. It's not so hard. Be aware, practice, have a good day.